In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download a Tableau workbook as a PDF. Whether you're a data enthusiast or a business professional, having the ability to download and share your Tableau workbooks in a widely accessible format like PDF can be incredibly handy. So let's dive into the process and make it as straightforward as possible. First, you'll want to open your web browser and head over to Tableau Public. Simply type in the URL or search for it, and you'll find yourself on the home page. Once you're there, look for the Sign In button, usually found at the top right corner of the page. Go ahead and click that. If you don't already have an account, this is where you'd need to create one. But for today, we're assuming you do. So, on the Sign In page, enter your email and password and click the Sign In button to gain access to your personal Tableau environment. After logging in, you'll be directed to your profile page. This is essentially your very own Tableau workspace where you'll find all your published workbooks. Once there, locate and click on the My Profile section. This will present you with a list of your accessible workbooks. Spend a moment here to find the specific workbook you want to export as a PDF. Once you've found the workbook you're looking for, click on it to open it. Now that your chosen workbook is open, take a look at the top navigation area where you should see a download icon. This icon is your gateway to exporting options. Click on this download icon and a drop-down menu will appear. From the options presented, select PDF. This is what you need to generate a quick and easy downloaded version of your Tableau workbook in a PDF format. Before you proceed with the actual download, Tableau gives you an opportunity to configure your PDF. This configuration step is crucial because it allows you to tailor the output to better suit your needs. You can choose various settings like layout, scaling, and the specific sheets you'd like to include. Spend a few moments customizing these parameters to your preference. Once satisfied with your selections, look for the download button. Clicking this will initiate the download process. And just like that, within a few clicks, your Tableau workbook is ready as a PDF. This easy-to-share format is perfect for collaborating with team members or sharing insights with clients who might not have access to Tableau. By following these steps, you're all set to share your data stories with just about anyone, anywhere you send that PDF. So, there you have it, a quick and comprehensive guide to downloading your Tableau workbook as a PDF. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Feel free to like and subscribe for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.